we're just in the lobby of our hotel waiting for our taxi. I booked it over Kareem.
Okay, let's go.
I know what you're thinking. This might be some boring footage, but I don't think
It's not
it is.
typical Dubai.
We are in an area called Karama Center. We met a local and he took us to a souvenir store. I feel like we were walking for about an hour. He did indeed take us there and we ended up finding the frame. And this is the big frame behind me. You see, I'm in a picture frame outside. Looks so cool. The sun is not in our favor right now, but it doesn't matter. We're here, we made it. Over now. So guys, we bought some perfumes and oils for me and my husband. We had a good experience. I actually made a TikTok video or Instagram video with the people in the shops. Yeah, my perfumes smell really good. I got one oil and one perfume, and my husband got two perfumes. It smells really good. All I can smell is like perfume, so we're all set for later on. Later on when we get back to our home. Guys, we're back at the hotel. I literally got a message on this camera saying that camera's too hot, so it said it's shut off during the last sessions. It's really hot outside today. Today I can feel the heat. The other days I was like, egal, weißt du? Like 35 full sun. 35 full sun. Until 6:15. It's currently 4:40. Oh guys. Anyway guys, I'll catch you later. Tomorrow I really want to eat a seafood boil for dinner. That's not only my thing. It's okay. Pamplemousse. Rose and jasmine. These two. So I'm just in the changing rooms, the shower. I have a gown and disposable underwear. I think I'll put that on a little bit later. Down here, slippers. So in 23 minutes my massage is ready. So I just came out the steam room. Oh, the steam was hot. Now I'm gonna go in the sauna. Just came out the sauna. Okay, I'm gonna get ready because my massage is in like less than 10 minutes. So now I'm in the relaxation lounge. Fruits, dates, apricots, figs. A glass here if I want some flavoured water. Here are the relaxation chairs here. What I find is amazing, this leads to the balcony. You can go outside. Hold on. And sit down. Some chairs here. Nice and cool in here.
So the first one we have muscle is oil.
This one.
This one,
yeah. De-stress.
Okay, sure. So you what's the pleasure for you?
It's good. Yeah. Thank you. So I'm all ready for our seafood bowl. Well, my seafood bowl. Comes with 2 fish bowls, so let's see. Crab, prawns, mussels, prawns, and right. It equates to 40 euros. So the decor in here. We're sitting by the window. So let's see. I'm excited. Let me start with
Proud milk. Mine, I love fish.
the price doesn't interest me. I came here for the seafood. I have just finished my dinner at Dampa. It was so good. Nice on occasion. Seafood bowl that had prawns, mussels, clams, and little crab legs. So guys, we are gonna go on our night walk. New Yorker, Primark, Nikes. So this is how pretty outside is. These people have money, you know why? There are Boss speakers engraved into the floor. Look, for example, this is a Boss speaker. There's one down there and another down there, and it's all over where you see the grass. So guys, we've walked along the West Beach. Here behind me is the NH Collection Hotel. See the skyline behind me, it's beautiful. This is what Dubai heat does. Guys. Yogurt, ice cream, what is that? It's alright. Well guys, look, the camera's cleaned up. Good morning. It is 6:34 a.m. We are trying to catch the sunrise and take some cute pictures. This is called the Sing Beach Club.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
So pretty.
But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go get a cabana. Look how beautiful. We're currently in the pool. The pool is quite cold.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
Here is the pool bar. It's a swim up bar. There's also seating here that you can sit around the bar and enjoy your drinks. That's the pool. I hope you guys all like it. It's very, very nice. I prefer the beach, but they have a pool, so it's also amazing. And yeah, guys.